How to add a home button to iPad and iPad Pro. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can add a home button to your iPad and iPad Pro. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So in most iPad and especially on the latest generations of iPad, you normally don't have the home button which you see on the previous versions on my 7th Gen. What you had to do was, in order to go to home, you simply have to actually swipe down from the bottom in order to go to the home page, and you simply need to use the gestures because Apple simply removed it. But let's say that option is not convenient for you and you simply want to add those home buttons again. Well, in that case, there is a way to do it. So we're not going to go ahead and add a new home button on our iPad, by the way, don't get me wrong. What we're going to do is we're going to simply get a home button within the screen, so within the screen of our iPad, within the resolution as well. So in order to do that, tap on the settings button. As soon as you tap on the settings button on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and then simply look for the option which is accessibility, as you can see right over here. Once you go to the accessibility settings, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. On the right hand side, you'll find this option which says touch. So tap on touch. As you tap on touch, at the very top you can see assistive touch, so simply tap on assistive touch, and as you can see you have to turn on the toggle right next to assistive touch. And once you turn on the toggle, you'll see this little pop-up icon which is hovering over your screen, and you can drag this icon to anywhere on the home screen. What we will do is we can actually customize the actions when we tap on this home screen. When we single tap, when we double tap, and when we long press, we can customize the actions. Let's say we want to go to home. Whenever we want to actually single tap on it, then I will tap on the single tap option. Currently it is set to open menu. So for example, if I tap on this, it will open up the menu. So in order to set that to home, we will tap on single tap, and then over here we will simply select the action called home. So as you can see, it says home. Now as you can see, it is checked over here. Now let me come back, and if I tap on it, it will basically get me to the home screen. So if I go ahead and show you again, if I tap on it again, it will basically go back to the home screen. And let's say that is not convenient for you, you want to do it on the double tap, then you could tap on double tap and you could select home and so on. But this is it. This is how you can add the home buttons to your iPad if you don't have the home buttons by default. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.